Good morning, students. Welcome to your math class. Earlier, I have explained you about the properties of multiplication and definition of multiplication and some other important terms. Our today's topic is, and you know how you all are aware how to multiply one-digit number. Now, in this class, you have to multiply when the multiplicand is given in 3-digit or 2-digit and multiplier will be in 2 digits. So you don't know how to multiply 2-digit number, that I am going to explain you today. Example in front of you. The example is multiply 163 by 25. So what you have to do first? Firstly, you will write the places at the top. This is your first step. Then you will start writing the digit from the right side. So in 163, firstly you will write 3, then 6 and then 1. Now under this multiplier is 25. So again multiplier you will start writing from right side 5 and then 2. Then you have to expand 25. 25 means it is 20 plus 25 is made up of 20 plus 5. So firstly you will write this in expanded form. 25 is equal to 20 plus 5, and we will start multiplication from the right hand side digit, that is 5. So our first step is 163 we will multiply by 5. We will start multiplication from the right hand side. We will read the table of 5 up to 3s are 5 3s are 15. 5 we will write here and 1 carry. Here there is not enough space to explain this, so I am going to find out any blank space. There I will explain this question to you. Yes. Question was 163 we have to multiply by 25. So I am going to write this question for you. (163) we have to multiply by 25. So student, first step is we will start multiplying by the first digit 5. We will read the table of 5 up to 3s are, or you can do one thing, you can read the table of 3 up to 5s are, the product will remain same. So 5 3s are 15, and what is the meaning of this 15? It is 10 plus 5. So here ones are only 5 and tens are 1. So at ones place we will write 5, and this one will be carry over tens place. So at over the tens place we will write 1 as a carry. Now our second step is, now we will multiply 5 by 6. We will read the table of 5 up to 6 or 6 ka table up to 5. 6 5s are 30, 5 6 are 30. Now our product of 5 and 6 is 30, but don't forget to add the carry also, it becomes 31. 31 tens. What is the meaning of 31 tens? It means 31 tens means tens are 1 and hundreds are 3. So at one tens place we will write 1, and this 3 will be carry over 100 place. Now our last step is we will read the table of 5, because here our multiplier is 5. Every digit we are going to multiply by this 5. Now we will read the table of 5 up to 1s are 5 1s are 5, and we will add the carry also, it become 8. This is not our answer. Now once this digit multiplication is over, but what is left here? Because 25 means 20 plus 5. This multiplication is over. We have to multiply by 20. So at the place of this 0, we can write here 0, or we can put the sign of multiplication here. And because one place digit multiplication was over, that's why we will put here cross, or you can put here 0. Now we will read the table of 2, means 163 we will multiply by 2 now. Firstly, we will read the table of 2 up to 2 3s are 6. So we will write here 6. Now we will read the table of 2 up to, firstly read the table of 2 up to 3s are 6. Now read the table of 2 up to 6 are 2 6 are 12. 2 we will write under here, and 1 will be carry. Before writing this carry, what step we have to follow? We will erase the previous carry, because otherwise it creates confusion. So we will erase it, and our new carry we will write over 100 place digit. Now we will read the table of 2 up to 1s are 2 1s are 2, and plus 1 carry also, it becomes 3. Now our multiplication is over. Firstly, we have multiplied 163 by 5, and we got this as a product. Now 163 we have multiplied by 20, and we got this as a product. Now we will add it. 5 plus nothing 5, 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 2 10, here is 0 and 1 is carry, 3 plus 1 4. So what is our product here? 4075, and it is the product of 163 multiplied by 25. So in this way you can do multiplication where multiplier is having 2 digits. One more example. Suppose we have to multiply. I will take the question of your book. Here is exercise 4D in front of you, and the question A part is (312) you have to multiply by 21. Here is very less space, so I am not able to explain you here. Again we have to search white blank space, there I will explain this question. So question is 312, you have to multiply it by 21. So before doing the explanation, the question, first step is you will write the places at the top. Bigger digits are having 3 places up to 100. Start writing from the right side. 2, 1, 3. Put the sign of multiplication. Now write 1 and 2. Now we will start our multiplication. Firstly, 21. We will write this in expanded form. 21 is equal to 20 plus 1. Firstly, we will do the multiplication of 312 by 1. And you all know when we multiply any number by 1, the product remains same. So 1 multiplied by 2, 2. Read the table of 1 up to 1s are 1 1s are 1. Now read the table of 1 up to 3s are 1 3s are 3. This multiplication is over. Now we will multiply 312 by 20. Ones place we will put this 0, or we can put the sign of multiplication, and now we will do the multiplication by 2. Again same process. Read the table of 2 up to 2s are 2 2s are 4. Read the table of 2 up to 1s are 2 1s are 1. And now read the table of 2 up to 3s are 2 3s are 6. And now we will add it. And by adding this we can get our answer. 2 plus nothing 2. 4 plus 1 5. Here is 1, 1 plus 3, 4 and 6 as it is. So what is our answer? What is our product here? When we multiply it 312 by 21, we get 6452 as a product. Clear? Now next question, B part. Exercise 4D. We are doing exercise 4D and it's question 1. B part I am explaining you. B part is 245 multiplied by 90. How we will do this? Firstly, write places at the top. 245 and multiply by 19. Expanded form of 19 is 10 plus 9. So firstly we multiply 245 by 9 and we write the answer here. Firstly read the table of 9 up to 5s are 9 5s are 45. 5 we will write here and 4 will be carry. Now read the table of 9 up to 4s are 9 4s are 36 and add this carry also, it become 40. 0 we will write under this and this 4 will be carry over 100 place. Now read the table of 9 up to 2s are, because now 9 we have to multiply by 100 place digit. So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18 plus 4 was already as a carry, so answer is 22. 100 place we will write 2 and this 2 goes on 1000 place. 9 we have multiplied. Now which multiplication is pending now? We have to multiply 245 by 10 now. So at this 0 place we will put here 0 or sign of multiplication and we will multiply 245 by 1. Read the table of 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Now we will add it and this become the product of 245 multiplied by 19. दोनों को अगर हम ऐड कर देंगे तो फर्स्टली 9 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर था. हेयर आंसर ऑफ 10 245 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 दोनों को ऐड किया तो इट इज द आंसर ऑफ 245 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 19. 5 प्लस नथिंग 5, 0 प्लस 5 5, 4 प्लस 2 6 and 2 and 2 4. What is your answer? 4655. So in this way you will do 2-digit multiplication when multiplicand is having 2-digit or 3-digit but multiplier में there are 2 digits. One more example in front of you. One more question. Question 1. It's C part. 518 you have to multiply by 11. What will be your first step? Firstly you will write places at the top and then you can make here circles also. In these circles you can write your carry. Then under this you will write your digit 518 multiplied by 11 and then you will start solving your question. And one thing you have to keep in mind, if ones place digit multiplication was over, then the same time you will cut the first carry or you will erase the first carry so that you can write the tens place digit carry over there. So see this, I am writing places at the top. 518 8 1 5. I have left here some space to write the carry. Sign of multiplication, we are going to multiply it by 11. It is very easy multiplication. Expanded form of 11 is 10 plus 1. Firstly, we have to multiply 518 by 1. Firstly, we will do the multiplication of 1 only. So 1, we will read the table of 1 up to 8 the same number, 1 8 the 8. Now 1 1 ja 1. Now 1 5 the 5. This multiplication is over. Now we will do the multiplication of 10. 518 we have multiplied by 1, and now 518, this we will multiply by 10. This 0 place we will put the sign of cross at 1's place, and now we will start multiplying 1 by 8. 1 8 is 8, then 10's place digit 1 1 is 1, then we will multiply with 100 place digit 1 5 is 5. And now we will add it. 8 plus nothing 8, 8 and 1 9, 5 and 1 6, and 5 plus nothing 5. So what is our answer? 5698. और ये किसका product है? This is the product of 518 को when we have multiplied by 11. This you got as a answer. Next question is D part. 316 you have to multiply by 24. Same step you have to follow. Firstly, write the places at the top. Then start writing firstly multiplicand bigger digit 613. Then multiplier 4 and 2. Put the sign of multiplication, and now you will start your calculation. Here the teacher is having short screen, that's why I am doing on the next page. But in your notebook you are having sufficient space, so you can do easily. 316 we are multiplying by 24. Our first step is write 24 in expanded form. 24 किससे मिलकर बना है? 20 plus 4. So firstly we will multiply 316 by 4. We will read the table of 4 up to 6. 4 6 24. 4 we will write under this, and this 2 will be carry over here. Now we will read the table of 4 up to 1 4 1 4, and now we have to add this carry also. It becomes 4 plus 2 6. And next read the table of 4 up to 3 4 3 12, 2 and 1. Now 1's place digit multiplication is over. We have multiplied 213 को हमने 4 से multiply कर दिया. Now next step is here 316 multiplied by 4. This multiplication is over. Now 316 again multiplied by 2 by 20. This is not 2, ये 10's place पर है, so it is 20. At the place of this 0, we will put here sign of cross, or we can put here the sign of this 0. And now we will start the multiplication by 2. We will read the table of 2 up to 6 2 6 12. 2 I will write here, and now I will erase this carry and I will write my new carry over here, and that is 1. Okay. Now I will read the table of 2 up to 1 2 1 1, 2 1 2, or 1 2 2. Both way answer is same, and we will add this 2 in this. 2 plus 2 4. Now our last step is we will read the table of 2 up to 3 100 place digit we will multiply. 2 3 6, and 6 we will write under here. Now we will add it, and in this way we can get the answer 316 multiplied by 24. Clear? This 4 I will write again neatly. Now we will start our adding process. 4 plus 0, और आप यहाँ पर क्रॉस का साइन भी लगा सकते थे. 4 plus 0 4, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 2 6, 6 and 1 7. Our product is 7684. So I think these questions are clear to you. Now question number 2. I am going to open it for you. In exercise 4D, I have explained you all the parts A, B, C and D, only E part left. This you will do yourself. And here the solutions of all question 1 and question 2, all the solutions are also given. This is the solution of exercise 4D question 1A part. It is solved here for you, but firstly you will not copy down directly. Firstly try to do yourself. If you found any difficulty, then only you will take help from the answer. This is B part solution, C and D part, and then we come on question number 2. Question 2 is, I am making it more clear for you. Multiply A part 28 by 16, B part है 109 by 15, 32 by 21, 86 by 26. Here multiplicand is 28, 109, 32, 86 and multiplier is 16, 15, 21, 26 और हमें इनका क्या find out करना है? We have to find out their product. So how we will start this question? Question number 2, A part, it was written in vertical form, 28 by 16. You are not able to do the multiplication in vertical form. So what will be your first step? Your first step will be write this in horizontal way, vertical way. It was written in horizontally. So at the top we will write the places, then we will leave some space, start writing digit from the right side, and then we will find out its product. Again I am writing here places at the top, ones, tens. 28 multiplied by 16. What is our first step? We will multiply ones place digit. 6 8 is 48. We will read the table of 6 up to 8 ja or 8 up to 6 ja. 8 we will write here and this 4 will be carried over tens place digit. Now next step is, now we will read the table of 6 up to 2 ja. 6 2 ja 12. Can I write here 12? No. The answer become wrong if I will write here 12. Because I never forget to write carry. Carry should be add. So it becomes 16. Now 16 I will write here. Now it is right. Our multiplication is not over. It is still left. Now what we have to do? Multiplication by 6 is over. First of all, you can think that 16 is made up of 10 plus 6. This multiplication is over. Now you have to multiply by 10. And 28 we will multiply by 10. At this place we will write here sign of multiplication and we will multiply 1. We will read the table of 1 firstly up to 8 ja, then up to 2 ja. 1 8 ja 8, 1 2 ja 2. And now we will add it. So in addition what we will do, 8 plus nothing, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 will be carry over here. 2 and 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So now our multiplication is over. This is the product of 28 multiplied by 16. So in this way, your today's homework is you have to do exercise 4D question 1 and 2 in your notebook. If you found any difficulty, I will clear this with one more live board video tomorrow. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.